and welcome to our overview of AnterraBI for construction. Anterra Business Intelligence provides you with the reporting you've always wanted to monitor your operations and make the best decisions possible. Many studies show that the best performing companies have consistent management and operational reporting as the foundation for their decision making. Anterra has two modules for construction companies: finance and construction. We have over 150 pre-built dashboards, scorecards, and trend graphs across the two modules. Let's start our overview with job mapping. It's easy to spot trends when you can see jobs geographically. Our job map can filter by company or by project manager. You can choose from a number of key performance indicators to color the pushpins of your jobs. Let's look at percent build, percent cost complete, percent margin gain erosion, one of your most important indicators, and ahead or behind schedule delivery date. Finally, you can choose job cash position. You can instantly see which jobs are consuming cash by coloring the jobs green for positive cash position and red for negative. Let's look at our San Antonio Riverwalk job. We can see key statistics of the job by clicking on the pushpin, and by clicking on the job title, we can drill to our job overview dashboard. Our job overview dashboard instantly gives you the health of a job. You can see if a job is on schedule, on budget. You can see your labor rate variance, procurement status, your job cash position, AR balance, and margin gain or erosion. You can drill on each one of these key performance indicators to determine the root cause of an issue. For example, let's look at our labor rate variance of $12.36. Drilling on the number takes us to a labor dashboard that shows trend graphs of hours and costs over time. On the hours graph, we can clearly see that there are a lot of overtime hours, which would be the root cause of our labor rate cost overrun. On our grid, we try to help you by projecting what will happen if the current labor rate variance continues. In this case, if your $12 per hour labor rate variance continues for the rest of the job, you'll incur a massive cost overrun. Having this type of reporting helps you immediately identify your risk and where you should take corrective action. Let's move from looking at a single job to looking at the overall margin gain erosion for the company. All of our grids are instant pivot tables. Let's look at margin gain erosion by project manager. We can also view it by company and then project manager. We can pivot on any attribute you track in your system. We simply map them in. Of course, all of our grids export to Excel if you want to do further analysis. Our margin gain erosion grid shows why margin erosion occurs and lets you take corrective action as soon as possible. To conclude our overview of construction reporting, let's take a look at our automated WIP report. We've helped many clients get out of Excel for their WIP process, saving many person hours at month end. Our WIP report is customizable. We can add or delete columns to set it up exactly how you want. Let's move on to look at our finance module. Our financial reporting is full-featured, and every report drills to transactions. We handle any type of consolidated statement and have many pre-built dashboards and financial reports. Let's look at a revenue trend graph to show you how we can help you improve your month-end management package through better analysis. You can run it for any consolidation group you like. We'll choose Anterra Construction. Here you can see the trend of actual versus budgeted revenue over time by month and year to date. This is far more informative than looking at black and white numbers. Let's run a consolidated financial statement next. We'll choose Anterra Construction as a consolidation group and see a month-to-date and year-to-date income statement. Let's drill down into expenses. We'll drill into communications, where you can see we're over budget in seminars and conferences. Drilling in, we can see all of the expense entries to the account, and the magnifying glass is a link to the invoice image in TimberScan or other invoice imaging systems. In summary, we've gone from a consolidated income statement down to the invoice image on the web. You can access this information from your desktop, laptop, iPad, or tablet. In addition to trend graphs and financial statements, we have drill-through status dashboards. Let's look at our cash position. Here you can see your current cash balance along with the 3- and 6-month average cash balances. Of course, you can drill into the details by account from this gauge or this graph. This concludes our executive overview video. Thank you for watching. In summary, Antera provides business intelligence for construction and real estate companies that is pre-built, easy to implement, and accessible anywhere. Our clients tell us that they can handle more jobs with the same level of staff with the increase in productivity that results from improved reporting and being more proactive. Please contact us for more information.